Last night's windstorm caused power outages and storm damage in several Hampshire and Franklin County locations.
And 22 News reporter Heath Kalb is live in studio with a look at where the wind caused those problems.
Yeah, Alana Ciara, the winds really started picking up yesterday evening, and some areas were hit a lot harder than others. Wednesday night into Thursday, a strong windstorm swept across New England, and a day later, those howling winds that shook the area overnight are now having their impact being felt.
It was pretty violent. It was good. It was a good storm.
According to the Massachusetts Emergency Management Agency's outage map, at the height of the storm, more than 18,000 customers were without power, and many of those weren't just dealing with the cold and dark. They couldn't access certain roads.
All the roads going over to South Amherst are closed, especially Bay Road. That's the main road right there. Can't get out here, so I'm trying to find a way out to get my kid to school.
Belchertown was one of those areas especially hit hard, along with other communities where a majority of households lost power, like in Buckland, Shelburne, and Shutesbury. It's rare for a storm with just wind to cause this much havoc, but not unheard of. And once the wind speed reaches a certain threshold, entire trees can be uprooted just like this one right here. And that's something now being seen throughout all of western Massachusetts.
Especially when you get wind gusts, over 30 miles per hour, you can start to see, down trees, down power lines, and that's when you get some power issues. And that's exactly what we saw last night.
And with Wednesday night's storm, the region experienced more than it could handle. Westover Air Reserve Base reported a gust of 51 miles per hour, and Bradley International Airport, right over the state line, reported a gust of 57 miles per hour. Now, as of this afternoon, most residents do have their power restored, but there are still about 1,000 homes in western Massachusetts still in the dark.